Chapter 18. Protecting India's Coastlines. India is a peninsula, bordered by water on three sides and home to numerous rivers. These rivers and other freshwater sources provide essential water for daily needs. Rich in aquatic life, they serve as a vital food source, particularly for people living in coastal areas. However, during the monsoon season, these rivers swell to dangerous levels, often causing floods that impact the surrounding regions. Look at the map of India to understand the inland water bodies and the water bodies on her sides. Water bodies near India. The Indian Ocean is to the south of India and covers about 20% of the water on the Earth's surface. The warmth of the ocean keeps phytoplankton production low. Phytoplankton are very tiny plants found in water. Seal, whale, dugong and turtle are some ocean animals. Inland water bodies. The Arabian Sea is located in the northwestern part of the Indian Ocean. It is between the Arabian Peninsula and the Indian subcontinent. Two rivers, Indus and Narmada, drain into it. The water of the Arabian Sea supports a rich and varied aquatic habitat. It has a large population of fish including tuna, sardine, billfish, wahoo, and a variety of sharks. Guarding the sea. The three seas surrounding our country are guarded by Indian Navy. The Indian Navy is the naval branch of the Indian Armed Forces. The primary objective of the Navy is to safeguard the nation's maritime borders. Read out the story of a proud Indian naval officer. Effects of water pollution on marine life. The effects of water pollution are far-reaching. It affects oceans, lakes, rivers and drinking water, making it a widespread and global concern. Use of chemicals by farmers, picnic litter, domestic sewage, industrial waste, oil spills, natural phenomena like floods and earthquakes contribute to water pollution. The food chain is also damaged because of this. Due to water pollution, fish contains high levels of pollutants like lead and mercury. We eat this fish. We fall sick. We need to undergo medical treatment. Human activities cause the most marine pollution. Sewage, animal waste and chemical fertilizers have a high content of nitrogen and phosphorus. High levels of these nutrients in water promote the growth of algae. Algae deplete the water of available oxygen, which causes the death of fish. This process is called eutrophication. Eutrophication is the most serious pollution problem at shores and in the oceans and seas. Oil pollution also has serious consequences on marine life. Oil pollution is caused when an oil tanker goes ashore or hits a reef and spills its contents. As the oil drifts ashore, great damage is done to beaches, shores, marshes or mangrove forests. Ships also create noise pollution that disturbs the marine life. Plastic debris is the main discarded human rubbish which floats in the ocean. Discarded plastic bags in the ocean are dangerous to marine life. Marine life can suffocate on eating it. Fishing nets. usually made of plastic, are often left or lost in the ocean by fishermen. These entangle marine animals such as fish, dolphins, sea turtles, sharks, dugongs, crocodiles, seabirds, crabs, etc. Sink and float. Some objects sink in water, while others float. Whether an object will sink or float in a fluid depends on the density of the object. Density is the ratio of the mass of an object to its volume. If an object in water has a higher density than the fluid, it will sink, but if it has a lower density, it will float. Objects that sink in water include rock, nail, coin, metal pen, etc. Objects that float in water include cork, plastic button, leaf, wooden stick, etc. Water vanishes and returns. Water evaporates from all water bodies. Whether it is small puddles or large oceans, the heat of the sun turns the surface water into water vapor. This process is called evaporation. Water cycle. Evaporation. Precipitation. Condensation. Water vapor rises into the sky till it reaches the cooler layers of the atmosphere where it condenses to become clouds. The change of water vapor into water is called condensation. The water cycle involves the bursting of the clouds, which results in precipitation in the form of snow, hail or rain.